I'm convinced that the only reason we don't hear anyone talk about this product is because they're not putting money on their social media marketing. This is Etude's Nymph Overall Volumer. I'm not sponsored by the brand. I just wanted to show you guys that if you don't have a glass skin yet, but you want to achieve glass skin look with makeup, but you don't want to spend too much money, just go get this product. So let me demonstrate how this product just gives that glass glowy dewy look without having the glass dewy look. One side, I'm going to mix my foundation with this volumer, and the other side, I'm just going to do my foundation as usual. So let's start with the left side, just using the foundation. Going to blend that out. So this is the finished side, and then I'm gonna mix it with the volumer. I'm gonna spread it out here. Do you see the difference? This side is with the volumer and this side is just a foundation. Okay, and forehead, no foundation whatsoever. They need to do their social media marketing. The other day, someone commented about the Chanel one. Let me know if you want me to compare this one and the Chanel one.